Welcome back. This is the third video, and we're going to make our first superstar. This is quite a simple one, as you can see, and it's made of 4 pyramids. So one pyramid is here, 2, 3, 4. 4 pyramids. Now, what's important to understand is that 3 pyramids meet at a corner. Always 3 pyramids meeting at a corner, and there are 4 of these special corners. So it's never 2 pyramids or 4 pyramids that meet. It's always 3 pyramids. So how do we make it? Okay, I'll show you. You need 6 units. So 2 are reddish, 2 are dark blue, and 2 are light blue. Might help you to use the same colors. Okay, so I don't need to explain how to make a pyramid, do I? Because we did that in the previous video. So I'll just make one fast. Now, if you skipped that video, then perhaps you should go and look at it just to understand how to do this. Put one inside. And here we have our first pyramid. Now, there's something very, very important you need to understand when you're putting these units together to make many of the superstars. Let's look at the dark blue. Can you see that we have a light blue that's going into the dark blue? So what color unit do we put here? Do we have another dark blue, or perhaps the reddish, or perhaps the light blue? What's the rule here? Well, the rule is that whatever this color is, we have the same color on the opposite side. So light blue. So we put a light blue unit over the top of the dark blue. So can you see when you look at this rhombus shape here, it's half dark blue and half light blue. Now when we've put that in, we can now lock the red unit into the light blue, like this. So we now have 3 pyramids that meet at this corner. One pyramid is complete, and we're still making the others. So we have more pieces to lock in. Let's look at the light blue. Can you see the reddish goes into the light blue? So the same color must go out on the opposite side. Now we have 3 different colors here, so we can close this pyramid. Put the dark blue into the reddish cut, like that, and this is another pyramid finished. Now we have one more piece to lock in, so dark blue, and this must of course be dark blue. And we can close, this pyramid at the top by locking the light blue into the dark blue, and here at the other side is the light blue ready and waiting to be locked in. Thank you very much. So it's a very simple pattern to follow. Means you don't have to think very much, because it kind of makes itself. You see the dark blue and the dark blue? Rather a nice sort of pattern that you can make here. So this is now complete. We have 4 pyramids. 3 pyramids meet at every corner. And we followed the rule here that if you have pale blue going into the dark blue, we have the same color going out of the other side. That goes all the way around. That pattern there is consistent all the way around. So thank you very much.